Hi, I'm Nagesh. I'm working for a software company. I'm learning Internet of Things and this project is part of my learning. This is a smart irrigation system. The purpose of this project is to check the soil moisture content and accordingly, depending on the threshold values, control the motor pump to either send the water into the plant or stop the motor from pushing water into the plant. Now the components of this system are, this is soil moisture sensor YL69 and this is YL38, this is the interface. This is Arduino board with 80 mega 328p controller. This is the brain of this whole system. This is ESP8266 Wi-Fi which sends the radio signals. This is a motor which motor pump which actually pumps water, and this is the L293 motor driver which controls the motor. This is 9 volts battery to run the motor, and Arduino board can also be connected to a 9 volts battery, but here it's being connected to computer to get the required voltage. We have ThinkSpeak on cloud, so the data that is collected from sensor is sent by Arduino board through Wi-Fi, and the data gets collected and stored on ThinkSpeak. Arduino Uno is the brain behind the system. The instructions to Arduino are given using Arduino IDE, and as part of these instructions we initially set the variables that collect the sensor data and pump status, etc., and then we establish the connection between Arduino Uno and ESP8266 Wi-Fi, and then we read the data from the sensor and then send it to ThinkSpeak to store it in the cloud, and then we also control the pump depending on the values. So the pump here is switched off after reaching the cutoff threshold. So we have seen earlier, when the soil moisture content was low, Arduino has sent instructions to motor, and motor pumped water into the plant. And once the moisture threshold was reached, Arduino sent instructions to the motor, and the water supply was cut off. We could see the same on ThinkSpeak website, where we could see the sensor values in the form of a graph and also the pump status. The Arduino app, which is used to view the sensor information, is also used for sending alerts. So we could see the Arduino giving us alert that the threshold was reached, and Arduino also sent an SMS to my mobile providing me the status. So this is briefly about the smart irrigation system project which I have completed just now. Thank you.